Okay, what I'm going to show you is how to put the battery that comes in your kit into the meter that you've been provided with. Okay, as you can see, there's this nice plastic protective case around it. It's got a little stand up the back which allows you to sit it up so you can have it in this position when you're doing your labs. But it has to come off in order to get the battery on. So what you do is grasp the meter between your two palms, put the thumbs on the bottom of the case and push it away from the meter. Now just peel it off like you would from skin off a fruit, and then what you have at the back here is the two compartments. One compartment has the battery. This compartment here has fuses in it. And I'll talk to you later about what not to do because you don't want to be replacing fuses all the time. So you take the screwdriver and you take out the screw. Now this screwdriver is a Phillips screwdriver. It's if you look at the end, it's an X, it's a cross. Make sure you have the proper size screwdriver, because if you don't, what you'll do is damage the head of the screw, and it makes it very difficult to remove later on if you have to replace the battery. Okay, so I take this screw out. Once I get it out, I just set it down onto the table, don't let it go away. Take the back off. Then I take the 9-volt battery, and as you can see, I have clips. There's a big one and a small one. And on the battery, it's the same thing. The big and the small fit together. So you just turn it so they clip in. There's only one way they can go. Make sure that they're pressed down and they clip in nicely. Now tuck the battery in very carefully, right? And it is a little tight when you put it in. It's always a little bit of a challenge to get in. Okay, once you get it in, now you can put the back on to your meter. Put the screw in. And use the screwdriver to line it up. Tighten up the screw. And the battery's in. Now, what you want to make sure is when you put this covering back on that you have it in the right way so it'll stand up. So the leg comes out the bottom here. So you make sure that the top goes in so the leg comes out the bottom. Then you come back to this position and just push with your thumbs, push the meter in to the plastic covering. Now, it comes with a protective shield that's on the front. These sometimes can be a real problem to get off, but what you do is you have to peel it off if you want to be able to read your meter. So just take your nail and pull it across. Don't use your screwdriver, you'll scratch the screen. Pull it off. Now let's make sure that the meter actually works. So we turn it on, and yeah, we have a reading. Okay, thank you very much for watching.